Hi, Joey.
Hi, Tony. How are you?
I'm great, Joey. How about you?
Fantastic, thanks. How about dinner next weekend?
Sounds good, Joey. Is Saturday okay?
Yes, perfect.
Where shall we meet?
What are you in the mood for?
I'm craving a good hamburger.
Let's meet at Chili's.
Perfect. They have great burgers.
Yes, I agree. Chili's has the best burgers in town. Is 5 o'clock okay?
Sorry, I'm busy until 6 o'clock.
Okay, how about 7 o'clock?
Excellent. I'll meet you at 7 o'clock inside of Chili's.
Great, I'll make a reservation.
See you then, Joey.